You're with Chinchu. Today a random purchase. Nothing planned actually. I thought of buying a phone. Initially I was confused whether to buy iPhone 13 or Samsung S22 Ultra. Gathered little bit of information in terms of opinions of various people. So randomly after the office, I came directly over here, Dubai Mall with my friend, and now I'm going to make a purchase. I have decided that it's gonna be iPhone 13. So a very short vlog, nothing planned, everything is unplanned most of the time. In my case, you already know that, right? So come with me. See, only these many colors are there. Green is not there. Huh?
Green.
It's red.
Yes.
I think blue is better than this.
No, you have to pay 50 dirhams. It's free.
Oh, of course, you can get it.
I'll give you one.
Yeah, sure.
Just give me a second. I'll give you the change. Yeah? Okay. So what kind of?
It's education channel basically, but I do put a lot of other videos. It's about everything.
Oh, that's nice. I'll send you the receipt on the email.
Yeah, sure.
And good luck, followers.
Thank you. That's so sweet of you. So I bought the phone actually. After coming from office, I traveled a lot. We are right now in Dubai Mall. I got the adapter and the phone. The rest I have to buy. Nice, right? Matte finish. You're smiling more than me. To buy the green color, but it was out of stock, and I saw in like one or more stores. Right now, after looking into both the colors, I think I love the matte finish of the blue more. So I just bought this, and so obviously I thought of sharing a really short vlog. You know that I almost share everything, whatever I do in my life, whether that's an occasion, whether that's really small thing or a big deal or teaching, whatever it is, I love to share with all of you because you are my family, my YouTube family, right? So that's it about today, and keep watching, be here with me. I'll be coming up with informative videos including teaching sessions and many more like interview questions or maybe like language related something. I have no plans right now, but I'll be planning soon. So keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such informative videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.